Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. As I told you in the previous video, we'll be doing many unboxings this video, and the second unboxing is a wired headset by Bolt Audio. As you can see, Bolt Audio is here and wired headset. Get Vicky Kostulas, their brand ambassador. We are going to unbox this and let's see how good it is. It was less than 500 rupees. I just bought this just to go ahead and listen during live sessions. So let's unbox this and see whether it's one of the best headsets available within 500 rupees for any purpose, for any of your uses. So let's start with that. So if you see, this is the box which I got. It's been hit many times, I think so, during the transport time because there's a lot of wear and tear. So let me see whether the headset has come properly or else I have to return it to Amazon as I got it from Amazon. So let me just cut the seal off. Okay, once you cut the seal off, I'll just keep this box aside because that is not needed. I don't know why Bolt has given such a dirty box this time because last time when I bought the two wireless ear headphones, the box was kind of good. So this is the normal shell over here. There's not even a warranty card till now. Let me keep that also aside. So there's something called over here as accessories box. Let me open and see what is the accessory they're given. Okay, this is the warranty. That's it. Register for warranty. Okay, what can you expect in 500 rupees? So this is the Bolt headset. It's one thing is good in this. It's foldable, and if you can see this clearly, it's given as Bolt audio on both the sides. This is foldable and this is movable. So that's the one advantage what we are getting. And if we turn it around, it is adjustable also. And you have a soft cushion over here to go ahead and listen. This is for the left side and this is for the right side. Left and right comes like that. And here there's a mic also. It has a mic attached to it. It's a stereo headset. And this may be the mic button or pause and play button. So let me just remove the hook and let me listen to the track whether I'm able to hear it clearly. Let me go back to the main cam so that I can go ahead and check this out. Okay, I'll just go ahead and take these headsets. So as you can see, this is very comfortable. Let me put this in my ear. Actually, there's a little bit of sound cancellation also. I can't hear my system anymore. And let me just play a track over here and check how is the audio. Okay, if I use this button, it's for pause and play. And the volume is not that bad. Let me just make you hear the sound and you can think about it. And this is only the half of the volume I kept in the phone so that you can hear this. So this is a normal NCS song which I'm playing. Let me try any other song also. And let me increase the volume to the full so that you can try hearing to this in my mic, and let me know if you're able to hear this because I can hear it clearly. So what are my conclusions over here? What I can say is the quality of this headset is kind of good. It's not made up of cheap plastic at all. It's made up of good plastic because with Bolt Audio, I've already got a Bluetooth earbuds for that, and that's very good. It gives me a range for the whole house, about more than 1,200 square feet. It gives the range for not like just 10 meter or 20 meter like normal headsets. Because I had bought a Trukfit also that had that problem, and this one is flexible. As you can see, this is very flexible. So it's mostly comfort oriented, a premium design which you're getting just for 500 rupees. What else can you expect? Because and it's a wired headset, and for 500 rupees, it's a very premium design with a good cushion cover, and the volume is also good, and it's having a proper driver, just like it's a Bluetooth headset. It has also a volume driver and everything, so there's no problem at all. So this is one of the best headset I can suggest you under 500 rupees if you're looking out for a headset. And if you do require the link of Amazon where I bought this, I would go ahead and send you the link for this so that you can go ahead and purchase this for yourself. And if you like this video, please go ahead and leave a thumbs up so that many people can learn about this headset and where they can get it for just under 500. And subscribe for the channel for future notification. As I told you, this week is total unboxing and review with live demo. But the next video, I would be going ahead and giving you a hint. It's a gaming monitor which I'll be unboxing, and I'll be setting it up also, and I'll be giving a complete review how it works and how its quality is also. And this one I got in a very good offer. You do not want to miss this out. Until next time, this is Kamal, and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.